Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A white-toned living room offers a timeless elegance and a sense of spaciousness, perfect for creating a serene and calming atmosphere. Here's a breakdown of key elements to consider when designing your white haven. Shades of white, the power of palette. While white is the dominant color, consider incorporating variations like ivory, cream, or even a hint of grayish to add depth and visual interest. Play with textures like matte walls, glossy furniture, or woven accents to create a layered look. Furniture selection, light and airy. Opt for furniture with clean lines and light-colored upholstery in fabrics like linen or whitewashed wood. This creates a sense of airiness and prevents the space from feeling too stark. Consider incorporating glass or acrylic elements for added lightness. Pops of color, optional. While white takes center stage, pops of color can add personality and vibrancy. Introduce color through throw pillows, artwork, area rugs, or accent furniture pieces. Choose colors that complement the white tones, like soft pastels, bold blues, or pops of greenery. Flooring and walls, light and bright. Light-colored hardwood floors, whitewashed wooden floors, or light-colored tiles are all excellent choices to complement the white theme. For walls, crisp white paint creates a clean and expansive feel. You can also explore textured wallpapers in white tones for added visual interest. Lighting, layering is key. A combination of lighting options is essential in a white living room. Layering with natural light, overhead lighting, and strategically placed lamps allows you to create different moods and ensure the space is well lit throughout the day. Warming touches, natural materials. While white dominates, incorporating natural materials like wood, woven baskets, or jute rugs adds warmth and texture to the space. Houseplants in white ceramic planters or woven baskets can also add pops of color and life. Metallic accents. Strategic use of metallic accents like gold, silver, or brass can elevate the design and add a touch of sophistication. Consider metallic lighting fixtures, picture frames, or decorative objects. Overall design principles, balance and proportion. Arrange furniture and decor in a way that feels balanced and avoids cluttering the space. Negative space. Leaving some areas empty allows the white tones to breathe and creates a sense of tranquility. Texture play. Mix and match textures like smooth leather, woven fabrics, and fluffy rugs to add visual interest and depth. Remember, personalize your space. A white living room doesn't have to be sterile. Add personal touches through artwork, family photos, or decorative objects that reflect your style. Maintenance considerations. White can show dirt more easily. Opt for stain-resistant fabrics and choose washable surfaces for easy maintenance. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can design a white-toned living room that is both elegant and inviting, offering a perfect space for relaxation and entertaining. There are many compelling reasons to consider designing a white living room. Here are some of the key benefits. Light, airy, and spacious, opens up the space. White paint reflects light, making even small living rooms feel larger and more open. This is especially beneficial in homes with limited natural light, creates a sense of airiness. A white color scheme evokes a feeling of lightness and airiness, perfect for creating a refreshing and calming atmosphere. Versatility and clean slate, timeless elegance. White is a classic and timeless color that never goes out of style. A white living room design provides a clean slate that allows you to easily change your decor and accent colors over time to reflect current trends or your personal preferences. Adaptable to different styles, the versatility of white allows you to create a variety of design styles in your living room. Want a modern minimalist look? White is perfect. Craving a touch of glam? Add metallic accents and luxurious textures. Positive psychological effects, promotes relaxation. The calming and serene nature of white can create a peaceful and relaxing environment in your living room, a perfect space to unwind after a long day. Enhances mood. studies have shown that white can have a positive impact on mood, promoting feelings of peace and tranquility. Additional advantages. Showcases artwork and decor. A white backdrop allows your artwork, colorful throw pillows, or statement furniture pieces to take center stage and truly shine. Easy maintenance. Potentially, while some may worry about white showing dirt easily, light-colored furniture and stain-resistant fabrics can minimize maintenance compared to darker-colored living rooms. Overall, a white living room offers a multitude of benefits, from creating a feeling of spaciousness and light to providing a versatile foundation for various design styles. It's a perfect choice for those who crave a calming and elegant living space that can easily adapt to their taste. Here's a roadmap to guide you on your journey to designing a stunning and inviting white living room. 1. Define your white, shades, and tones. White comes in many variations. Consider the overall feel you desire. Crisp white creates a clean, modern look, while ivory offers a warmer and more traditional ambience. Grayish, a blend of gray and beige, can add a touch of sophistication. 2. Embrace the light, maximize natural light. Take advantage of existing windows. Consider translucent curtains or blinds to diffuse light without blocking it completely. If possible, explore adding skylights or larger windows for an extra dose of sunshine. Layering artificial light, a combination of lighting options is key. Install overhead lighting for general illumination, and incorporate strategically placed lamps for task lighting and ambience. Consider floor lamps, table lamps, or sconces to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 3. Furniture selection, light and airy pieces. Opt for furniture with clean lines and light-colored upholstery in fabrics like linen or whitewashed wood. This maintains a sense of openness and prevents the space from feeling too stark. Glass or acrylic coffee tables can add a touch of lightness. Pops of color, optional while white dominates. Consider adding pops of color for personality. Introduce color through throw pillows, artwork, area rugs, or accent chairs. Choose colors that complement white, like pastels, blues, or pops of greenery. 4. Flooring and walls, light and bright. Light-colored hardwood floors, whitewashed wooden floors, or light-colored tiles are all excellent choices. For walls, crisp white paint creates a clean and expansive feel. Explore textured wallpapers in white tones for added visual interest. Consider painting the ceiling white as well to visually increase the height of the room. 5. Warming touches, natural materials. Balance the coolness of white with natural materials like wood, coffee table, side tables, console tables, woven baskets, or jute rugs. These elements add warmth, texture, and visual interest. Houseplants. Plants in white ceramic planters or woven baskets add pops of color and life. Snake plants, spider plants, and fiddle leaf figs are all popular low-maintenance choices for a white living room. Metallic accents. Strategic use of metallic accents like gold, silver, or brass can elevate the design and add a touch of sophistication. Consider metallic lighting fixtures, picture frames, or decorative objects. 6. Don't forget the details. Area rug, optional. A light-colored area rug can help define the living room space and add a touch of pattern or color. Opt for washable rugs for easy maintenance. Window treatments. Light and airy curtains or blinds allow natural light to flow in while providing privacy. Roman shades or roller shades offer a clean and modern look. Artwork and decor. Artwork and decorative objects add personality and reflect your style. Choose pieces with pops of color or metallic accents to complement the white theme. Bonus tips: maintain balance and proportion. Arrange furniture and decor to avoid cluttering the space. Embrace negative space. Leaving some areas empty allows the white tones to breathe and creates a sense of tranquility. Mix textures. Play with textures like smooth leather, woven fabrics, and fluffy rugs to add visual interest and depth. Prioritize functionality. While aesthetics are important, ensure your furniture is comfortable and meets your needs. Remember, personalize your space. A white living room is a blank canvas for your style. Add personal touches through artwork, family photos, or decorative objects. Maintenance considerations: choose stain-resistant fabrics and washable surfaces for easy upkeep. Consider adding slipcovers to white furniture for extra protection. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can transform your living room into a beautiful and serene white haven perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.